video, we're going to look at using the order of operations to simplify or to evaluate our expression here. Now, the order of operations, you may remember PEMDAS. That tells us that we do parentheses, then exponents, then multiply or divide, then add or subtract. So let's work our way through the list. Parentheses first. Well, I don't see any parentheses, so I get to mark that step off. Then exponents. I don't see any exponents in this problem, so again, I get to mark this step off. Then I do multiply or divide. Okay, so we'll start here, and I see some multiply right there. So I'm going to do that. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to keep going. Okay, that's not a multiply or divide, so it has to stay in the problem. That's not a multiply or divide, so it stays in the problem. Then I come to a divide. So I'm going to do 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So now my multiply and divide step is finished, and I'm ready to go to my add or subtract step. Now in my add or subtract step, I do this in order from left to right. So I'm going to start again over here on the left of this problem, and I come to an addition first. So I'm going to do that part first. 20 plus 3 is 23. And then I have a minus 3. So 23 minus 3 gives me 20. So my answer here would be 20. I encourage you to use the PEMDAS to help you remember the order of the steps, and then work from the left and move to the right as you evaluate.